Buenas tardes y bienvenidos a la primera semana, que es una introducción al curso y vamos a empezar capítulo 1. So again, good afternoon and welcome. Every tarea semanal, which is weekly homework, is divided out on this first page with a folder in which you'll see what are your specific objectives, and in order to reach the objectives, what are you going to do? And so you will learn about and familiarize yourselves with the course site, required technology, and some of the materials. You'll get to know the instructor and your classmates. You will communicate with your assigned dialogue partner and make plans for completing dialogues 1 and 2, which will be due Wednesday and Sunday of week 2. And so that would be the 24th and the 28th of August. You're going to learn how to greet others, introduce yourself appropriately, also how to spell your name, and become familiar with names and titles in Spanish-speaking countries. So to do that, okay, you're going to familiarize yourself with the course. You'll watch the introduction video, which is what I'm creating right now. You'll review the course syllabus, ask any questions to clarify concerns, and then you're going to take a quiz on the syllabus. Now, the quiz will appear at 12:30 a.m. August 18th, and you will have to take it by 11:59 p.m. on August 21st. Okay, after you do that, then you're going to get started with the material and other week 1 assignments. You will create your own introduction video using Google Hangouts on Air. Okay, you'll start working in the textbook in my Spanish lab online, and you'll get in touch with your assigned dialogue partners. I will place in the announcements, anuncios, those partners on Friday before noon. As some people may drop or add, hopefully I can get groups of 2 set up and everybody will be okay. Now when you click on the semana 1, week 1 folder, you will see a lista de tareas, which is your to-do list, okay, which is basically kind of an overall version of what you saw before. It's about watching the important orientation videos, familiarizing yourself with the class. Okay, I currently, as I am making this video, do not have my own personal presentation video ready. I will have that ready before classes start on Thursday. Okay, there's also a course introduction and syllabus overview that you will see, as well as how to get ready or how to get started with the textbook. Okay. Record and turn in your presentación personal oral presentation video by August 21st. You'll read the textbook, which this week we will cover just pages 1 through 8, okay, because it's a very short week. Now you can get here as well as here the first week, semana 1, the plan, the course outline. So let me bring that up for you here, and this is sort of what you're going to see from here on out on different chapters. So this is chapter 1, part 1. We'll do part 2 in the second week. From there on out, most of our chapters 2, 3, and 4 will be 1 chapter per week. Chapter 5, we will take 2 weeks. Okay, so you're going to be watching all the videos. You're going to be preparing your own introductory video. Then you're going to read pages 1 and 2, and you will go on My Spanish Lab and take the readiness check for chapter 1. And then you will go to the estructura in your book, pages 2 through 5. After reading and studying that information, then you will do these activities. Okay. And so on and so forth. And this is what you're going to do each week. Each week will have a specific plan. Okay, so let me go ahead and return. Okay, so you'll watch the video de bienvenida semana 1, which is what I'm currently recording right now. Okay, and because we're kind of doing two things, a presentation, introduction to the class, and starting chapter 1, you will have 2 folders. Typically those, you won't have 2 folders. Okay, so if you go to presentación de la clase, you are going to see a short video, and this is actually done by our former online coordinator, Dr. Carmen King de Ramirez. And you'll notice that in this course you will see videos by past or former professors and instructors. Okay? We don't believe in recreating the wheel if we don't have to. So you'll watch this short video. Contains important information about online policies. Once again, I will have my own personal presentation up here. And then here are is the syllabus broken down into 3 parts: introduction, course goals, technology, important notes, the grade breakdown and descriptions of the different rubric categories, and then other important information, particularly about the academic integrity and student code of conduct policy. Okay. Okay, so then what will appear underneath this, currently you will not see this. If you notice in the teacher's version, it will say item is not available. It will be available August 18th at 12:30 a.m. So your quiz over the syllabus will appear right underneath. Okay. And then how to get started with the textbook instructions, you can click in here, and here's also a get started flyer. Okay. Okay, so if I go back to semana 1, I could also go to capítulo 1. And once I go to capítulo 1, it's actually very short because it's a very short week. Okay? And we don't have any dialogues this week. So it says, esta semana vamos a explorar las páginas 1 a 8 del libro de texto salud. So again, it's just reminding you we're doing pages 1 through 8. Here's another way you can download that first week's plans. Okay? And it will help you in going in order of learning the material, telling you what pages and then what assignments correspond to those pages. Then what pages and what assignments correspond to those pages. And that's really all that you have to do in this first week. Okay? Now, en la presentación de la clase, in that first folder under week 1, you will also find, just so you don't forget, but you will also see the presentación personal, oral presentation, which is due. Okay? And in the video, you want to mention your name. You want to mention some things you like to do outside of school, any experience or connection you've had with Spanish, the language or culture, before taking this course. Could be traveling, could be family or friends, and what area of healthcare are you interested in. Now this will be done in English, as you don't know this, you should not know the Spanish just yet. And a video was made by a former instructor here, la instructora Berber McNeil, and so she will tell you how to make a video with Google Hangouts on air, and then you will click on this link. Go ahead and click. And you will create a thread. In the subject, you can write presentación personal. You can put your name. And then once you have uploaded your presentation to YouTube, you will copy and paste and put that YouTube link right here in the message, and then click submit. Okay? So those are the assignments for week 1. Buena suerte. Espero que no tengan problemas. So good luck. I hope you don't have any questions or problems. If you do, please let me know sooner than later.